All preparation done. We're awaiting the first match against Netherlands. How's the team right at this moment?
The team sentiments are pretty good. The morale is high. Yes, in an event like this, you will have some ups and downs. But I think at the moment, everyone is putting their energy and focus only on the first game.
We came. I've been the training in US and West Indies. It's almost been 1 month. So how is the condition and how has been the training?
Like you see over here, hot. So we are used to with these time zones and these conditions now. And like I said, I mean, we came in on 6th or 7th of May. I don't remember the exact date right now, but some days in Florida. Then we went to St. Vincent, which was good as well. We got some good games over there too. And coming back in Houston, we played few games against Houston Hurricanes. That was also good. Different conditions there too, because the bounce and all that was different. We had a game over here as well where we felt with the new pitches laid down, the lateral movement and the bounce and all that was pretty good. So overall now we have all the information and we are ready.
So I guess Nepal's batting lineup has struggled during practice matches. So how are you?
During practice matches?
Yeah.
How many practice matches have you seen?
No, actually I have gone through the scorecard and I have also watched the
Give me the scorecards of struggled practice matches.
So that actually one run against Canada.
That is one match.
Yeah.
Then practice matches you said. Then you went through the scorecard. Which other?
So actually that also Nepal struggled in batting lineup.
No, but you said practice matches. And you said you went through a lot of scorecards. Where are those scorecards?
So actually not scorecard. Actually against the Canada.
So you are talking about one match, no?
Yeah, okay,
So one match we struggled. Yes, we struggled in terms of approaching it in the right way on that day. But there is a lot to do with that. You know, we have been on the road for a while now. So one not going to happen. And in T20, remember one thing. Many good teams also have one bad day, and that doesn't make a team bad team. Have I answered you properly, sir?
Yeah.
Could I get your good name, sir?
My name is Professor Oli.
Professor Oli, good question.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Coach, about Dipendra's injury has not been the part of last 4 games. We're planning to use him in the last game, but that didn't happen. How's he fitness-wise?
His fitness-wise good. We have handled him well. I mean, look, again, like I said, the medical team has been working 24/7, and there are times when there are certain indicators that we want to safeguard. So he's now completely ready. We obviously tested him with this fielding practice and bowling and everything also yesterday. The minor thing which comes out from the past history, so we wanted to be very safe with him, knowing that how important he is as a player.
In the game against Canada, we used both Sagar and Lalit. We tried to assess the conditions. How important is that role going to be, and who is going to pick? How big of the role is that?
Who is going to get picked? I cannot tell you that. That is like, telling the 11 before the game. That is not the way we look at it. But yes, the spinners were important. So Lalit and Sagar both have been brought in that game for a reason, and both have been preparing well. And in terms of balance of the team, spin department is important, seam department is important, our batting lineup is important.
Because there was a lot of speculation about our final squad itself. We had to wait a lot of time. How's the squad right now in that sort of things about the sense of security and getting the right start?
In the group, in a happy dressing room, we are molding every cricketer as a leader, right? So when you talk about speculation, we are also trying to make our leaders understand that there will be certain challenges with outside noise as well. But as long as we put our energy in the right place, things that are in our control, we have to focus on that. Things that are in our control, we have been doing well in that. And I have a lot of hopes with our boys that they will step up on that particular day.
If you look at the paper, the first match is the easiest one that we're going to have, and that's going to set the momentum. Is there any pressure to perform in that specific match against Netherlands?
The only thing which we address is pressure of expectations. And we want our boys to stay away from pressure of expectations, but focus on what has worked well for us, which is deep dive into roles, deep dive into process, which has given us at times results to cross the line.
This is our second time to start the World Cup journey.
Right.
What is the message here to the Nepalese people?
Well, I think everyone was waiting for this day. So it takes us back to that particular day against UAE when we crossed the line and we were able to celebrate getting into the World Cup. And not only just getting to the World Cup, making the world cricket realize that Nepal team is equally good to be there. And we have been promising ourselves that we want to compete, we want to bring out the best potential individually and as a group, and leave a mark here, leave a footprint here in a World Cup. That's what we are excited about.
So what have been the improvement or changes after arrival of bowling coach?
bowling coach has been working very hard in terms of making sure that the plans are in place. Plans were already been discussed even in the past, but the maturity around how to manage those plans in game, that is something which Coach Roddy also has been educating them. We want to empower all the boys. We want to empower them so that under pressure they can execute on their own. And that is the process which is in place again. As a teacher, as a coach, Coach Roddy, Coach Nandan, all of them are playing their roles.
Can you see any changes in opening pair?
Again, what you're doing is you're asking me to talk about playing 11. That is fixing. I can't do that.
So coach, one more. Is Sambal coming in some different kind of ball, maybe batting or something like that?
T20, everyone should be flexible. You all have questioned me with before also. If the player can come in and execute his role and help us win those phases, we'll be up for it. We are always open. We are thinking forward. We are not close-minded at all.
Is it also about the opening pair?
Say again?
Flexibility.
Anyone, any number, anyone, why not?
So how excited players to play like a mega?
Yes, sir, we are. Just like you guys are excited to be here. You all have made an effort to come all the way to US. I think some of them all have been using your own money, being sponsored, living along with the fans over here, whatever I'm showing. That's a great story. That itself is a success story for me. Not just what happens on the field, but off the field, the effort which is taken by all of you, including our fans. I keep talking about 12th man. You know, they will be super excited about it. And we want to make sure that we put our best foot forward, efforts that we talk about.